Hi, my name's Luke Charles and I'm a WordPress developer. This video is about how to install WordPress on a HTML website. To install WordPress on a HTML website, you'll install it on what is called a subdirectory. This is a section of the website that is a part of the main website. The easiest way to explain this is that it's a folder within a folder. It's usually used to manage large websites, so you'd have a big informational blog website, but they might also have a store as a part of it. The store itself looks like it's a part of the website, but that could actually be built on the subdirectory and built with Magento, WordPress, even Shopify, and then styled to look like the HTML website accordingly. It's also important to remember that a subdomain is different to a subdirectory. A subdomain is a domain name with a prefix. So for most cases, it's www. That's the subdomain for most websites on the internet. But you do get other websites that have different subdomains. An example of this will be blog.mysite.com. It's important to remember that subdomains are separate websites to themselves. So any SEO efforts that you put in towards your website, if you end up building a second website on a subdomain, you'll have to start again with your SEO efforts. Where if you install it on a subdirectory, those SEO efforts are passed through that, which is why you would install a WordPress blog onto a HTML website. And this is where the best use of it comes in. You can build your website in HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and you want to allow yourself to add a blog or a gallery for your own website or for a client's website. This is better than a subdomain. As I said earlier, it passes through the SEO efforts and is one whole website that is pieced together. I'm going to take you over to cPanel now and I'm going to show you how to install WordPress onto a subdirectory of your website. So here we are on my cPanel. Every website has one if your website is hosted. I personally use SiteGround. So here we're going to install WordPress onto a subdomain. So we're just going to be installing WordPress as we always would. There's nothing different about that, but there's just one little tweak in the installation. So we'll go down, head over to Auto Install WordPress, and we click Install. And this is where we start installing WordPress. Here you'll see my main website that I use. This is my own personal website for my web design business. This box is the directory box. Usually you'd leave this blank if you're installing just WordPress on your normal website. But because we've got a HTML website and we want to add a blog or a gallery onto that website, this is where you make it happen. So the directory will create that subfolder for you and install WordPress there so you have access to it. Now in this case I'm going to use gallery as an example because I already have blog installed, so I can't show you that. But you just literally type in gallery, and what that will do is when it's installed it will create mysite.com/gallery. So when you click on that on your main menu, it will open up in a new tab as it will take you from the HTML site to the WordPress site. And there you go, WordPress is installed. And as you can see there, it's installed successfully at mysite.com/gallery and then /gallery wp admin to start your WordPress section.